This is the truck bed pieces for like a 1951 and maybe newer 51, 52, 53. Same truck bed here. I'm getting rid of the frame today. I just haven't had time to do anything with it yet, so I just said, you know what? Somebody that might have a better clue on what they're doing probably would probably benefit from this a lot easier than me right now, because I'm still in the very infant stages of my F1 truck experience. But yeah, so I'm gonna try to remove the axles from the frame. So I'm gonna go over here. See there's these pieces here. This is what's holding the leaf spring on, and behind the leaf spring is a bolt, a nut, and a pin, cotter pin, I think. So in theory, once I pop those out and through, I should be able to lift this frame right off, because these axles are pretty heavy. The rear axles, the rear leaf springs are a little bit more challenging to remove, so that's going to be a little bit of a trick. The guy that's coming to pick up this frame, I think he said that he's committed to help me get some of this stuff taken apart so I could keep most of the hardware. I don't know if I'm going to need it yet, but you know, when you don't have a good sense of direction, you kind of randomly make it up as you go. But yeah, this is for sure a little bit more challenging to remove. There's a bolt here, and there's one in the back. You could probably I could remove it from this down here or up here. There's a bolt right there, and it's just gonna take some time to pry it out because it's been there forever, so it's gonna be a little bit of a challenge, and it can't go inward. So this is the frame, what it looks like without that truck bed on it. Man, this needs to be detached here. Detach it here. Yeah, I gotta detach a couple things before we could get this frame lightened up, because it's kind of too heavy for two people to move right now. I mean, we could roll it, but I'm trying to keep the bottom half, so here goes. This pulling the pen, so this will have to.
I think that's a.
I use a pulley puller to remove the axle out of the way, and actually, yeah, this should be pretty effective.
Perfect. Okay. That's that.
Yeah, we might need to take it apart one more time because I see some hang-ups, but we'll see how this works first. Shoot. Dang, what size is that?
I don't know. Hopefully this one works. 7/8. It'll kind of work, but let's try it. Okay. And we're going.
Oh, it strips. Son of a
Fuck.
gun.
Really?
Yeah.
You
I
heard it?
don't think it pulled it.
Nope.
It stripped the threads.
Damn it.
Yep.
Okay.
Oh, you know what? It wasn't even that deep in there.
Well, it's
you know
the
what?
wrong thread size.
No, you know what? I think we can make this work.
How?
I'm gonna try to. Yeah, I think we can make this work.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're gonna have to use this part. This is gonna be the main thing. So
you're thinking put the washer on there and then pull
Yeah.
the washer? That's a good idea. Use the other one though, because that one's stripped.
is there another one not stripped?
Yeah. Oh wait, was that the one you had?
Yeah, that's the only one I think. I don't know where we got it. Just a recap. We got this. This is out. We hammered it out. We hammered this one out over here. But the key that I've learned from the last time I removed leaf springs, these are the main ones that we need to remove first. And then everything else should come out pretty easy. Well, probably need a crowbar still, but it should come out. It's what the frame looks like on the side right here. Oh, shoot. Yep. Shoot, you could even look at the frame from down here and make sure you still want it too. Because look,
I know, right?
I never even seen the frame from the bottom like this before.
Hey, you know what? Look how rusted these leaf springs are from down here.
Yeah, I know.
It's actually...
It might be a little bit of a good idea that this is all happening. You know.
Honestly, I haven't seen a frame like this before. Look at that cross member for the transmission, how rusted it is.
I know, right? You know, I have another one of those in case you need it. The cross member piece.
Maybe.
But you know what? Actually, that might be more insightful too. I don't know. You know what? I have to look. I think I still have it.
Yeah, because I'm not going to use the original transmission, so maybe I don't need it.
Oh, you're going to just pop the... That's what the guy did that I ran into in, I believe it was Santa Fe Springs. The guy just grinded off the rivets.
Oh, really?
And then put a... Are you going to still have a stick shift or automatic?
Stick shift.
Yeah.
What I was thinking is cutting this out with the grinder.
Yeah.
And just welding in like...
Yeah, you know, that's what the other frame looked like. The guy cut it all out. So the the guy cut a lot of it up. It was a mess. That's why I wasn't like too sad about getting rid of the other one.
Yeah.
This one's super good condition.
Well,
all right. Anyways, let me.
In most areas it is, but like this is pretty rough. This is not runnable.
This is the underside.
Yeah. It's not safe.
Yeah. So the leaf springs probably wouldn't even make a difference to salvage them or not.
No,
Those other ones are pretty bad.
Like, grind it down to bare metal.
Yeah.
And then maybe coat them with like chrome or put some sort of protective metal coating.
Right.
And then they'll be good to go.
Or go get them.
They are right now. I don't know if I would.
Or go get them sandblasted and painted.
Exactly.
These were fun. Oh, you know what? It's the impact video that's a little bit more cinematic. I forgot to do that, but whatever. Whatever. Yeah, look at this, dude. That's rough.
Oh shit.
Yeah, that's gonna. I mean, it's still strong.
It's still strong, yeah.
It's just you need to take that all off.
Yeah.
Dang.
Damn.
Dang it. Lizard fight, lizard fight, lizard fight, lizard fight. Look at that, lizard fight. Are they fighting or are they mating? Lizard fight, lizard fight. Lizard, lizard.
It didn't pop off though.
Oh, wait, is this screw in the middle anything? No, this is just holding the leaf spring on
That's what
together.
I thought, yeah. What the fuck is holding it? Could it be just the rust binding up or what?
Oh, shoot. No, it should come off. Oh, let me see that. Shoot. Should come off now.
That's what I'm thinking.
Okay, go ahead, let's try it.
1, 2, 3, go.
Well, something. Oh, that leaf spring. Look at how crumbly it is. Damn, you just
It broke off?
Yeah, it broke off.
Oh shit.
Shoot.
Yeah, I was gonna say, dude, like you don't want to drive like that.
Yeah, shoot. Probably the only thing good on this is the dang, maybe the axles and the.
Axles are still good. They're solid.
Yeah. So I'm glad that the.
Something else is holding it, man. I think it might be that screw or something.
Dang. Hope not. Oh, you know what? Yeah, try to hit it, see if that does anything. No, it's not going to. I mean, I have the grinder, I could grind it, but you want to look on the internet machine and see what the anatomy of a leaf spring is.
Yeah.
Because if that is holding it together,
Yeah.
I mean, it doesn't make sense, but maybe it does. Shoot, man. Fred. What a bunch of hassle. Well, this took already, shoot, what time is it actually? Let's see what time it is. It's 2:09. It's 2:09 and dude, 6 hours? Fudge. Almost 6 hours. That's crazy. That's crazy, bro. Just for the record. Just for the record. Dang, that shit did it. There you go. Oh my gosh. How did it? Oh my gosh, it fell apart. Okay. Anyways.
What the hell? We could have just knocked them loose. The axles?
The axle came out? Oh, it came out of the axle.
I think it was just so rusted it broke.
Let's see. Let's
check it out.
Let's do some investigation discovery. Well, I don't know. There's no evidence either way.
Let's lift this. Oh shit.
Yeah, it's freaking probably hot.
Dude, this
so.
thing is heavy.
And it's heavy. Huh. I don't know. It doesn't look like anything broke. Oh well.
Those two holes.
Oh wait, this one came loose too.
Yeah.
Huh, whatever. Well, I didn't want to salvage those leaf springs anyways.
Well, not the way they fell apart. I don't
No.
think so.
Oh well. Let's see if we could carry this sucker now. Carry this into the promised land. Just for fun. That's. Oh man, this is the good like. He's gonna try to move it himself. I was just joking. I was just joking, man. I'm a jokester. Jokester. Hey, I'll be right back. Give me 2 minutes. So solid 6 hours, and look, this is what we got going on. So 6 hours of powers. So it's time to move it into the promised land. Oh yeah, that's right. I think there's a couple mods. It might actually even be more structurally sound too.
I could even just step up.
Okay, let it down.
Yeah, that wasn't bad.
No.
It's not bad.
I guess if you could place it on the trailer, I could step. I wish I could salvage a little bit more off of it, but I'm not going to get greedy. I think this is this is the spare tire.
Okay.
Because the spare tire is supposed to be stored right there. Yeah. Well, I went through a lot of trouble getting this, and now we got a lot of trouble getting out of here. So at least we saw the under part of this frame, and it looks like it needs to have a wire brush for at least 1 day, just wire brushing it. And then put the coat, and you'll be set. Wow. Yep. I know now you hauled to bring it here. It took me probably 4 or 5 tries to get it into my driveway.
Really?
Yeah, because I'm, I don't usually friggin' pull a trailer.
Yeah, you're right. That's
So,
like, not that comfortable.
but yeah, this is gonna, yeah, hopefully someone will pop up to help you pull this off.
Yeah, I might have to sit in my driveway until my girlfriend gets.
Yeah. Oh, I see. Your girlfriend's gonna help you move it?
Pretty strong.
Oh, all right.
I mean, if we struggle, we could just drag it off. Right?
Yeah. Well, you don't want to damage it.
No.
I discovered my my F1. These are mangled too on the back.
On the back?
Yeah. But I don't know. But I'm thinking now I'm gonna have to probably do a little bit more than I want to, just to keep it that I'm safe driving around on it.
Yeah.
Well, here's the trailer with the frame on it. Oh wait. Burning up right here, but I think I should move.